And now we're going to create our lead form. All right, so we've gotten our ad completed. Now we just need to create the lead form. This is the form where they enter their contact information so that you get their lead information, and they get access to whatever it is you're advertising. In this case, a list of all homes under 400K in this particular county. All right, so we're going to click create form and just click continue here. And the first thing I would do is go to settings and change the sharing to open. That allows people to share your lead form or share the ad in general. And then your form, you want to save this. or name your form. I'm just going to name this test on 3/18 because that's today's date. We're going to keep the form type as more volume. Higher intent would add an extra step for people to confirm. So if you do want a higher caliber lead or higher quality lead, you can make this higher intent, and it adds an extra step for people to confirm their information. Intro, I would actually recommend leaving intro blank. Just click this remove greeting there and don't worry about the intro. It's going to use the image from your ad anyway. Then just go to questions. So your questions now are your pre-qualifying questions. These are the questions that you want to ask so you get the information that you need so that you can prioritize these leads. Okay, so we're going to click add question. The first question is going to be a multiple choice, and we're going to simply ask, are you in the market or just browsing? Okay, so answers, we're going to add in the market and click add, and then next answer, just browsing, and then click add. That's it. All right, so next question, multiple choice question, are you considering within a year? Are you considering a move within a year? Possible answers, yes or no. Last question. We're only going to do 3 questions. Are you currently working with an agent? Yes, no. Those are the 3 questions, the 3 qualifying questions that we're going to ask every lead before they enter their contact information. So now you'll have actionable data that you can use when engaging them. Because if someone is not in the market and they're not planning to move within 12 months, and there's pretty much really no reason to actively engage them right now. Or if they are in the market and they have a real estate agent, there's no reason to engage that person at all. It'd be a violation of your code of ethics as a realtor. So what this allows you to do is to see, okay, yeah, who's in the market right now? Who's looking to move within a year and who doesn't have an agent? Those are the people I want to reach out to right away and see if I can nurture them now. And there will be some who are not in the market now, but are considering a move within that 12-month period. Those are the ones that you would want to have in your automated follow-up so that you can stay front of mind with them for when they are ready. So now we've gotten all of our 3 questions. We're going to move down to the description section. So this is where you simply let people know why you're collecting their contact information. I've gone ahead and entered that, so you can see it says enter or confirm your contact information, then click next. Get notified when homes meeting your criteria hit the market. So now we're going to essentially, the type of information we want to collect name, email address, and phone number. All right, but we don't want full name. We just want first name. So we're going to delete that. We're going to click add category, user information, first name, and then we're going to move that card to the top just so it flows a little bit better. Then we're going to add category, contact field, phone number. So we got first name, email address, phone number. Those are the 3 data points that we're going to collect on these leads. All right. And here it says adding too many questions may impact your form submission rate. So don't have 5, 10, 15 questions. No one's going to answer all those. For your privacy, you're essentially going to use the privacy policy URL that's at the bottom of your brokerage website. So every website, every brokerage website at the very bottom should say privacy policy. All you have to do is click on that privacy policy. You'll see the URL at the top. Copy that URL and then paste it here where it says add a link. So add it there where it says privacy policy, or add it there where it says link, and then the text, just make it say privacy policy. Okay, that's what the text actually will say. And you can add a custom disclaimer, but that's not necessary. So the last thing to do is click completion, and now this is where you're going to give them instructions on what to do next, basically, because at this point they would have given you their contact information. So now you basically want to send them to the content that they opted in for. In this case, an active list of homes in a particular county under 400,000. Now, the list of homes you will need to get from